Hey everyone, Ryan at Manly Muscle Cars. Gonna do a walk around on this 1969 Ford Bronco. Let's take a closer look. Do a quick walk around of this 69. You can see front end. It's got a little damage up here, the corner, the passenger side. It's not terrible. Paint on the grill is newer. Bumpers are shiny and nice. Paint was done a while ago. Obviously, as you can see, it's not perfect, nor is it a show vehicle, but it sits in a great place. Shines up nice, sparkles in the sun, and it's in a condition where you don't have to stress about driving it. Sitting on brand new BFG 32s. Color combo is pretty sharp. I really like it. New fender flares here in the back. We'll hop in the inside here. Let's take a look at the inside of this beauty. Door panels are nice, white, complementing the exterior. Newer high back bucket seats. The roll bar with the pad. Nice headliner. And even the windshield wiper assembly cover is there. Seats full forward. Got access to the back end here. Leave it as is, or you could throw in a seat if you'd like. Nice stock original dash. Gauges work. 3-speed on the column. This Bronco even has the original floor mat. It's in amazing shape. Take a look at the floorboards here. As you can see, all original and no holes. Very nice. Take a look at the other side here. Got a couple spots of rust here in the floorboard on the passenger side, but very minor. Pop open the back here. As you can see, tailgate assembly, liftgate, it's all there. Original hardware, works great. How about we start her up? Starts up really nice, very smooth running.